Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in.
Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this ANDELI auto darkening welding helmet. Now, I want to give a big shout out to this company for being nice enough to send me this product in exchange for this video. And I'm super excited to talk to you today about it because this helmet here offers a lot of modern features, which is really awesome. Now, the first thing I noticed about this helmet is the adjustability is really nice and easy to use. And it's also nice and comfortable when wearing this helmet. You can see lots of different adjustments that you can make directly to this helmet, including this little twist knob, which allows you to tighten and loosen the helmet very easily. I also wanted to mention that there is a lot of padding here on the inside where it actually rests against your head, which is really nice. I appreciate that. It offers some good levels of comfort. Now, I also really appreciate that this helmet is nice and lightweight. It's not really heavy and bulky like some of those other welding helmets out there. And you'll notice a lot of unique features on this helmet. One of those being these 4 LED light bars here on the sides of the helmet. You can actually turn those on and they're super bright, which is awesome. Up to 400 lumens is what they claim. And you'll notice they might be flickering a little bit here on the video, but in real life they're really nice, solid, constant on LED lights, which I really like a lot. They light up really dark areas really well and can highlight the subject a lot. And what's great too is if you actually wanted to go ahead and dim them, you certainly could. They actually have a dimmer setting here. I also want to mention I really love the nice 180-degree view you get here from this helmet. Now, if we take a look at the inside of the helmet here, you can kind of see that left window there, as well as there's another one here on the right, and you can kind of see out of those with your peripherals. It just makes it really nice and kind of feel less closed in when you're using the helmet. Now, this helmet is equipped with 6 arc sensors, which means the auto darkening is designed to kick in within a fraction of a second of striking an arc. Now, on the inside of the helmet, you'll notice the display here. You can easily go ahead and cycle through different modes and make adjustments to the levels very simply with just the turn of this wheel on the outside. I love that all these buttons are reachable and I don't necessarily need to take off the helmet to go ahead and adjust settings. They also make it very easy and convenient to charge this helmet. It just charges via USB-C, and they do include a USB-A to USB-C cable. Now, the helmet also includes this right here, as well as a bag, which is awesome. You can go ahead and store it when you're not using it. Overall, I'm very impressed with this ANDELI auto darkening welding helmet. I love that it's so comfortable to wear, nice and lightweight, and I love the fact that there are so many features built right into this helmet. And for that reason, I would highly recommend it.
Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.